Abbie Quinnen has proudly stripped off to her undies to pose for a series of snaps following her horrific burns accident. The girlfriend of former Strictly Come Dancing star AJ Pritchard, who enjoyed a date at the star-studded Disney's Encanto premiere today, slipped into a lacy black bra and matching knickers before smiling for the camera. In January, Abbie was left with serious injuries after being engulfed in fire as she filmed a video for social media. The dancer's clothes and hair caught alight and she suffered third-degree burns on her body. Abbie, 24, has now proved just how far she has come since the terrible accident with these new modeling shots for underwear brand Pour Moi. Posting them on Instagram, Abbie told her followers, "Girls, happy Black Free Yay!" Fans have been quick to comment on the snaps, with one telling her, "You are gorgeous, fire, your confidence is glowing and it's so amazing and inspiring to see," kissing face, revolving hearts. Another wrote, "You look stunning, fire, fire, you truly are amazing." And a third said, "You are absolutely stunning, romantic face, AJ is one lucky man." Horror accident. Abbie and AJ were filming a life hack video and were showing followers how to cut a glass bottle in half to be used as a vase. Things went terribly wrong and it set Abbie's hair and clothing alight, which caused third-degree burns on her body. Following a stint in hospital, Abbie began suffering flashbacks to the horrific incident and was unable to look in the mirror. She also received 3 skin grafts to try and repair her damaged flesh. Abbie told The Sun, "I didn't even recognize myself. All I could see were burns all over my face. I didn't know if they would heal, I just didn't want to look at myself or let anyone else see me." AJ has supported Abbie throughout her ordeal. The couple met after she was hired as a dancer for his Get on the Floor tour and they have been dating since 2019. On Sunday, AJ and Abbie were snapped at a screening of Disney's new movie Encanto. The pair were all smiles as they posed on the red carpet at London's Picture House Central. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 02077824220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.